Hey, it's Joel. This is my nephew, Jack. And where are we?
Hawaii.
That's right. We're in Hawaii. We've been having a fun time the last week or so. And one of the interesting things that happened was I got a 3D printer delivered here. Isn't that crazy?
Yep.
And what I found out is Jack is a massive fan of 3D printing. Have you ever seen one before?
I pretty much only seen them on like YouTube or like you.
Like me.
Thank you, friend.
Jack was talking about, well, you have a 3D printer here. Let's print some accessories for my Nintendo Switch. It was a good idea.
Yeah.
And so he found Infinite Bits, who detailed, how many prints did he do?
10.
10 prints for his Nintendo Switch. It was really cool. But we didn't have a lot of time, and we just had that one Prusa Core One. And so how many did we pick?
We picked 3.
Well, in this video, what Jack and I want to take you through is how cool it is to have a 3D printer on vacation because you can print things for your Nintendo Switch. Well, without any further ado, Jack, what is the first print that you want to talk about for your Nintendo Switch?
The first print was actually the first print that was completed.
Funny how that works.
Is actually this thing.
What is it?
Now what this thing does is you can pop it up. You see these 8 slots?
I do.
Those are the exact same size.
Oh, for the Nintendo Switch games.
It's the Super Smash Bros. Ultimate.
Oh, fantastic game. So this print, you have these slots for the games, right?
Yeah, there's 8. Same as the Nintendo Switch case.
Oh, really?
Wait. I can't remember at this point.
That's fine.
And it fits super snug.
It's very snug, it seems like.
And the only way to get it out easily, you just push it with the game cartridges.
And now it's gone forever. But there's another function that this provides, right?
Yes.
Here, let's show that off with your Nintendo Switch.
So if you take your Switch and you take the 3D printed gizmo, and then you just click one of them in.
Okay.
Place it down somewhere, and there's 2 little bumps and the Switch about the same diameter across. And then it just clicks right in.
Oh, right in.
And it's real snug.
So you can have it at the correct angle for whatever lets you game the hardest, right?
Yeah, if you have like something to have the bottom so that way it doesn't wiggle around.
Oh, some anti-slip stuff, right?
Yeah.
Genius.
So this is a good print, and a link for this and the other prints that Jack and I are going to talk about are going to be down in the description. So this is good, and we'll set it right here in the good pile.
And the next print is this thing.
What is that?
If you happen to give your friend gives you a single Joy-Con, probably one of the worst Switch controllers if you have big hands like.
Yeah, that's no friend either.
It's true.
Well, and the buttons are really small too. I try to hit them with my finger and I end up dropping the Joy-Con. It's really sad. And so this would aid in me being able to use a single Joy-Con, right?
Yeah, but also if you have not that much muscle like me, you have to put in these things. So if we just click these.
They just click right in?
Yep. And then you do that on the other one.
Okay, and so this Joy-Con is the minus Joy-Con, right?
Yes. Hand it over. And then,
This is fun.
But you have to have this upside down.
Oh, that makes sense because they depress and they press the buttons on the Joy-Con. So it's best to insert the Joy-Con with this upside down so that it's not scraping against the buttons, which are lower than at that point. You know what you could do? You could have buttons of a different color.
If we swapped these red buttons with those white buttons, look more like the original Nintendo Switch
That's true.
logo. The real reason why we printed these,
What is the real reason?
we have Super Mario Party. You can't use a Pro Controller or a double Joy-Con. So you have to use the single Joy-Con,
Okay.
which this 3D print makes it a lot more comfortable to use.
Awesome.
And we made these, this is called Lipstick Red in PLA, and this is, I don't remember, but I like to call this Vanilla Bean Ice Cream because it's got the dots in it. This is a good print.
It's very useful if your friend always gives you the single Joy-Con. Bring one of these.
And we agree, that's no friend.
You'll be less mad at him if you
That's
bring
true.
these.
Okay, well, let's move these into the good pile then. Okay, we've got one more print to show you, and I think this is the most important for those gaming sessions that go on for hours and hours and hours because
This thing.
It allows you to stay hydrated while you're gaming. Look at that. Fits the water. Does it fit the LaCroix, Jack? Like a glove. See, now while gaming, you can sip all the LaCroix you want. This is really fascinating. It's a way of holding your Joy-Cons in a double formation while you have sustenance in the form of a tasty beverage right in the middle. So, can I try it out?
Yeah.
Okay, so here I am. I'm gaming. Okay, and I'm thirsty, right?
Wow.
Well, this print, this is successful. This is a good print. It keeps you hydrated. You can put a tasty beverage in there when you're gaming long into the night, right?
And also, it has the Switch logo in it.
I love it. Well, here's your Joy-Cons. This gets moved into the good print pile. We've got a really cool way to store your games and to have the Nintendo Switch at the proper angle. And we've got 4 really cool controllers when you just have a single Joy-Con. And then we have this, which lets you use 2 Joy-Cons and stay hydrated at the same time. All of the links for all of these models are down in the description, and of course we'll put a link down to Infinite Bits as well. This is just 3 of the 10 that he showed off, and this is all we had time for. But Jack is going to be getting a 3D printer, and he will print the other 7, right?
Yes.
I love hearing that. Well, let's end it right here because we've taken care of everything, and it is supper time. We have to go get dinner, right?
Yeah.
It's time to rest.
Thanks for watching. If you made this fire awesome, don't forget to hug each other more, fight for a cause you believe in, and print all the things, right?
Yeah.
And
if you possibly have a 3D printer and you want to print some of these 3D printed models, you can.
That's right, you can. You can.
And
As always,
stay printing.
high five. Nailed it. Good job, Jack.